Howdy, people of YouTube. I'll be showing you how to install Netbeans, Java, JDK, Java 8 to be specific, and how to make your first code file, like a .java. And that'll be it. To start off, you're going to need to download Netbeans. And in order to do that, I recommend going to a good old google.com search, look up Netbeans, and then go to download. Then download Java SE. This is just for Java. And the download should start. I like to put it on the desktop. So there you go. And once it's finished downloading, then you install it. After downloading Netbeans, I recommend downloading Java 8, the JDK version. So you could go to good old google.com and type in Java 8. Click on the second link, or whichever one works, for the JDK Java Development Kit 8. It doesn't really matter at 181, but it's just the 8. So I'm a 64-bit. You might be 32-bit. That's times 86. So download this 64-bit. I like to put things on the desktop, so here you go, on the desktop. And when it's finished downloading, then you install it. After you downloaded Java 8, next you install it. So let's install it right now. Give it administrative privileges. Say yes. And usually it just works to just do next, just next. Just push OK to that. Alright, make sure it's in this Java folder. If it's not, well, it really doesn't matter. Just push next and kind of memorize where that folder was. It's usually in program files /Java. Okay, it was successfully installed, and that's all you need to do. Okay, next up is installing Netbeans. So double click your installer. Hit yes for the administrative privileges. This doesn't take too long, the configuring part. Accept the terms. And right here is the important bit. The only version of Java that Netbeans works with is Java 8. So the one we installed, 1.8.0/181. And make sure it's the JDK 1.8.0/181. And then push OK. And this should just end with 181. It should be the folder itself that has the whole JDK of Java 8. I do not want to be checking for updates, only because I don't like when updates happen and then everything changes. Next up, it says contribute to provide anonymous data. I say no, just because it might take computer space. Then, next up, we run Netbeans for the first time. Once it's done loading, it'll open up, and I'll show you how to make a application. To make an application, I recommend making a project. So File, New Project, then go to Java Application under Java, hit Next. And I recommend making this something like test, right? And then it says right here, create main class. I tick this off just so that there's nothing going on. So I already had a test project, so that's what happens whenever you have a project that already exists. So I'm going to call it test123, and this should work out. and hit finish. Okay, because we did not make a main class, it just says default package, and I recommend this, that way things are kept as simple as possible. Then right click default package, hit new, and hit Java class. And name this something whatever you want. I just put new class. And there you go, you have your first application open. You just start coding now. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a like and subscribe if you wish to support me. In the future, if we make it this far, we will be able to make little programs like this one. It's test.exe.jar, where let's say you enter the minutes, so let's say 60 minutes, and then it converts to seconds, things like that, really simple stuff. Hopefully we can get started on things like that. So, see you next time.